Hi, in this demo, Paul Heath from Soapbox shows us what self-learning automation actually looks like.
Yeah, so there's a first time for everything, Mark, and same thing in Soapbox. One of the key things that we do differently is than most AI systems in general is the ability to learn off very low levels of data. In fact, the minimum we need to see is about 3 or 4 records of looking similar before we'll start to predict. Okay, so let's have a look at that in action. So let's start with our interaction again. Let's record this against Hurley. And this time we're saying, oh look, there's a VPN not working. We can see there's no prediction. We're not quite sure, Sophie's not quite sure what this is. We're going to make this an interaction, sorry, an incident. Let's classify that. And what we're trying to identify is, or teach Sophie, is that there's an action that can be fired that would resolve this issue. And the action I want to fire is the VPN restart. You can see there's no prediction like we've seen in the past because Sophie hasn't learned that yet. Right. But if we execute that, we're now starting that learning process. The best way to simulate this learning is just to go and copy this record and fire that action every time we copy that record.
Right, so we're simulating multiple resolutions.
Well, simulating multiple calls coming in and resolutions, exactly. So let's say the VPN is not working again. I'll restart the VPN. And it's as simple as, so we're not configuring anything, we're just really going through our day-to-day activity, and the more we do something, the more intelligent Sophie becomes around that issue. So let's go and create another one.
It's almost like a reinforcement learning method, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. And then, in fact, there you go, you've got the prediction already happening there, so we can execute that. So that took, what, 2 or 3 times? And Sophie's now kind of learnt that that's the action to fire. Now, if we can go and configure that action to automatically fire based on a certain threshold. So if someone put that in, that type of description from the self-service portal, we could automatically fire that action as well and restart it without even coming into the service desk.
So that's self-learning, that's shifting left, it's automation, all in one neat little demonstration.
Exactly, without any configuration required, without any data scientists, AI expertise, the system's literally observing how an operator would go about their work and then learning from that and then providing advice and assistance to other operators and ultimately automating that to the self-service.
That's a really powerful demonstration there, Paul.
Thanks, Mark.
If you like what you saw in this video, head on down to soapbox.ai and sign up for a demo today.